welcome back. We got another package from our friends at StarKnightMT. They sent us a cargo net cover for the 2019 and up Polaris Ranger XP1000. So this could be used on other side-by-sides and activities. See? Oh, it comes in the box like that. Oh, it's a zipper. See, very nice packaging. Pull that out. So inside the package, here's the net. Here's the instructions. You got bungee cords too included. So there we go. So you got straps, really nice. The straps, connectors. Really nice, like heavy duty material. Fabric. And they have their logo stamped in the middle, right here. That's really nice. All right. Inside instructions. 6 straps and 1 cargo net. You got the instructions how to do it. So step-by-step instructions, very clear and detailed. Adjustable straps, put on the sides of your tie downs. Very nice. Support your cargo in the back of the bed. All right, let's go install it and see how it does. All right, so I got the net, cargo net. Now I'm gonna put it on, pull these off, and hook it up. Looks good, looks good. All right, there you have it. Great product from StarKnightMT. So if you want to more information over this, look down below in the links. I'll have everything there for you. All right, thanks for watching.